Hello everyone, I am Uday Santosh Kumar, currently pursuing my bachelor's in the stream of computer science in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. I'm in my third year now, and he is Mr. Pradeep. He is in fourth year, our senior. So he has recently cracked TCS Digital. So, hello brother, how are you doing?
I am fine, Uday. How are you?
I'm doing good. So
Yes,
we are here as a part of case study activity in our ELCS lab as a part of our employability skills. So
yes.
shall we start?
Yeah, we can. We are good to go.
Okay. So, how was your experience in ELCS lab and how has it helped you in facing the interviews?
So ELCS lab is nothing but, in short, it is a communication lab. Simply, it deals us to deal with the real world situations and the challenges that are being faced in the real world. It gives us the confidence to face the interviews which are being held in the real world, and that not only that, it gives us the importance of the interviews which has been taking place, and the tells us how to make an eye contact with the interviewer. So everything that is teached in the ELCS lab will be really very helpful for the interviews that are being conducted at our placement center. Yeah.
Can you share some of the important things that we need for an interview?
So for the interview, the quick guidance is that nothing but the first thing is communication. So communication is nothing but the traversing of the data that we are thinking about to the interviewer, which is currently dealing with us. And the second thing is confidence. The things which are telling by us should be very confident, and we should be very needful to the interviewer. After that, after dealing with these things, we have to be good at the technical stuff. So if you are very good at the technical stuff, if you are good to go, you will be it will be very much useful in placing in a well reputed company. Yeah.
So, which activity in ELCS lab has interested you more in improving your communication skills?
So that activity that attracted me more is that nothing but jam just a minute. So just a minute is the session which is very helpful in communicating with a short period of time within very creatively. We have a minute of time to tell us the topic which is our favorite topic, or the topic will be given by them. So in that minute of time, we have to be very creative and deliver the content to the other person which is standing behind. That will be very helpful to in interviews, so that we can tell our the concepts in crisp and precise way. So that is my favorite thing in the ELCS lab. Favorite activity. Yes.
So, we all know that you have cleared TCS code. So, can you give some suggestions to crack it?
So the main suggestion is that to be you are very good at data structures and algorithms. If you to crack to solve the first round of the interview, which is it will be 6 questions will be given. So if you are good at data structures and algorithms, you are good to go. One question is enough to crack the first round of the interview. After cracking the first round of interview, there will be directly second round, which is the face-to-face technical round or HR round. In that, you will be assessed with some kind of things such as technical stuff, and whereas communication. Okay, in the technical stuff, everyone will be very good if you are passed in the first level. But the second thing is we have to very good at the communication skills. So what the thing is in your mind should be very clear and precisely presented at the interviewers. So that is very helpful in coding the thesis code beta.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, by now, you would have attended many of the interviews. So, can you share your
Yes.
experience?
So many of the interviews I have done, many companies put their different kind of rounds. So based upon the countries, they based upon the companies, they put as, so several companies put GD as the part of the interviewers round, and many companies put JAM as the part of the interviewers round, and many companies won't put all these things. They will directly assign for the direct communication skills in the face-to-face interviews. Whatever it might be, the first thing you have to know, you have to be very good at is English. Okay, after that English, you don't have to be very good at grammatical things or such that. So you have to be very clear at the confidence levels. Okay, these two will be very crucially placed in the interviews. After that, the third thing will be assessed, which is very important, is the technical knowledge, and be sure that you have learned at least one of the trending technologies that are currently being evolved in the world, that such as blockchain or AML or virtual reality. Any of the technologies is good to go. You can learn them and put it in the resume. It will be very worth to learn those technologies. Yes.
So, can you give me some tips in preparing a good resume?
Yeah, that's what I said earlier. To prepare a good resume, the first thing is that you have to be placed some kind of skills such as programming languages and training technology. Along with this, you have to do some certification courses. So what is the certification courses? Nothing but you will learn a skill and you will go to a institution, pay them, they will assess you and give a certificate you are good in the skill. So certification skills in technical background is very common nowadays. So I suggest you to take a certifications in communication skills, that is IELTS or DEC is very good. Very business English primary test is very good communication skill certificate that you should be possessed in order to be placed in a well reputed company. That is my suggestion to you.
Okay, thank you. And the last
uh,
question is, what do you think
yes.
is the role of verbal tests in campus interviews?
So the role of verbal test is nothing but verbal test will be a kind of two things. First one is that it will be given in question answer type, which is in pen and paper, and second one is version type, which should be you have to speak to the computer. So first thing is you have to practice grammar, vocabulary, all this part of you have to practice by your own. And the second thing you will be get by daily practice. Okay, daily practice such as nothing but you have to speak with your friends and try to equip the a kind of accent which is not our native tongue. Okay, our Indians will be affected with the native tongue, but try to impose the accent of the different kind of countries, and you are good to go for the version test. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, Pradeep.
Yeah. Thank you, Jose. Have a good day.
Thank you.